Hello, and welcome to this lesson where we're going to look at the units of measuring 3D space. So that's volume and capacity. Now, volume and capacity are different things, but they're very easy to confuse. Volume is the space that something takes up, whereas capacity is how much you could store in something. So these blocks here are taking up a certain amount of space, and that would be their volume. However, this cup can take a certain amount of liquid, and that's the potential capacity that it could be filled up to. So volume is the amount that it does take up. Capacity is the amount that it could hold. So the difference is it holds or it takes up. So where we have had different units before, we have our lines are measured in, say, meters or centimeters in this case. Then we can have our area is measured in square centimeters. Now we're coming to volume, and we can do cubic centimeters. Sorry, this is not correct. It should be when we write 1 centimeter to the power of 3. And this means that we're adding another dimension. So we've gone from area, like this. We've added another dimension of depth backwards. So here we have 1 centimeter, 1 cubic centimeter. And this means it's 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Now, when we're converting units, we're going to find that it's similar to when we did our areas, in that even though 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters, when we get to 1 centimeter squared, or 1 square centimeter, it doesn't equal 10 square millimeters. This time we have to multiply 10 by 10 by 10 to finally get 1,000 cubic millimeters. So we have here 1 cubic centimeter equals 1,000 cubic millimeters. Now, volume is measured in metric units. So remember, volume is the amount of space that something takes up. We measure it in these sort of units. Capacity, though, is measured in liters. So it's how much that something could be filled up with. Now, 1 liter is the same as the space taken up by 1,000 cubic centimeters of water. So this is an important identity to remember, that 1 liter equals 1,000 cubic centimeters. So we put that here. 1 liter is 1,000 cubic centimeters. Then we have a kiloliter and we have a megaliter. So you've probably seen meters and then kilometers. So 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. And here 1 kiloliter equals 1,000 liters. The next one, when we go from, if let's say we had a megameter, this would be 1,000 kilometers. So it's taking this one up another 1,000. And that's what's happening here. We go 1 megaliter equals 1,000 kiloliters. So these are some important conversions to remember. Once you remember these, all the other ones you can generally derive. So if 1 liter equals 1,000 cubic centimeters of water, how many liters is equivalent to 1 cubic meter? So first we need to convert this to centimeters to cubic centimeters, so we can use this equation. So we do that, we turn 1 cubic meter is the same as timesing a meter by itself 3 times. Now that in centimeters is 100 times 100 times 100. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to have 6 zeros. So 1 cubic meter equals 1 million cubic centimeters. Now we need to convert that into liters using this equation here. So we're going to divide by 3, because we have 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. We're going to get 1,000 liters, which is the same as 1 kiloliter. Okay, so this is what we've covered. I hope that's made sense. If you have any questions, please bring them to class.